various political formations to lower down the temperature of the things they are saying. These last few days, we've witnessed a lot of raising of the temperature, which can result in violence or the lack of peace. These insults must stop. I'm appealing to my competitors and specifically to the various coalitions, Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja. Stop bringing Kenyans into a state where they can rise up against each other. I also wish to call on our Deputy President and His Excellency the President. You are the leaders up to date of our nation. Please keep peace, lower your temperatures. The office of the President is very important. It needs respect. So is the office of the Deputy President. It's a respectable office. But right now, with the things that have gone on, even threats of some saying that their lives are in danger is not a good thing.